Yes, good evening. Can you hear me? Good evening to all. Good evening, children. Yes. Yeah, today we are going to discuss higher order thinking level questions, means analyzing and evaluating level questions. Okay, na? Actually, I have selected 5 questions. I don't know how many questions I can complete because explanation part will be more. Because higher order kada, just first you have to understand the question properly. Question proper ga అర్థం కావాలి, then solution ఎలా చేయాలో తెలియాలి. I think it will take time. Okay. Right. Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Today's first question. 1 centimeter cube of gold is drawn into a wire of 0.1 millimeter in diameter. Find the length of the wire. This is the question. 1 centimeter cube of gold, that much of gold, it was drawn into a wire. Drawn into a wire. The diameter of wire is 0.1 mm. Diameter of wire is 0.1 mm. That means radius is, that means 1 by 10 mm is diameter. Radius 1 by 20 mm. mm అంటే millimeters. mm అంటే millimeters. Okay. అయితే first we need to discuss what is the shape of a wire. Wire shape ఏమిటి? ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా? Shape of a wire is, anyone? Akshay Nation says cylinder. Shape of any wire, metal wire, it's a cylinder. It's a cylinder. So since it is a cylinder, it is having some diameter and it is having some height. So height of wire is nothing but వైర్ కి హైట్ ఉంటుందా? వైర్ కి హైట్ ఉంటుందా? ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమనాలి మనం? హైట్ అనాలా లేదా ఇంకేదన్నా? we can name it any other name? Can we name it in any other way? height of the wire is also called as volume, wrong. Diameter, wrong. Good evening. No. Yeah, we can call it is length. Height of the wire is nothing but length of the wire. We need to find out length of the wire. Here volume is given. Volume is given 1 centimeter cube. Not slant height, Shravan. It is length. Cylinder lo slant height undadu strength. Shravan, నిద్రలే. Cylinder lo slant height undadu. Height ఒకటే ఉంటుంది. So wire height ante length. Length of the wire is nothing but height of the wire. Okay na? So volume of unte anta gold, general ga gold ela untundante it will not have any shape particularly. General ga gold biscuit anukondi, gold biscuit anukondi, it is in the shape of a cuboid, gold biscuit. Okay na? So gold coins untai, ఆ coins ante cylinders, gold coins untai, avi cylinders. Okay, so there is a gold, I don't, particular shape was not given, but its volume is given. Volume of gold is 1 centimeter cube. Volume of gold is 1 centimeter cube. Okay, and we know 10 mm is 1 cm. 10 mm is 1 cm. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. Now 10 whole cube is equal to 1 cm cube. 10 mm whole cube ante 1000 mm is equal to 1 cm cube. 10 mm is equal to 1 cm, then 1000 mm is 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so volume of gold is given as 1000 centimeter cube. Volume of gold is given as 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, not sorry, 1000 millimeter cube, sorry, 1000 millimeter cube. Centimeter cube is converted into mm na, millimeter cube. Now we have volume, we have radius, we need to find out height of the cylinder. ఇక్కడ సిలిండర్ అంటే వైర్, హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది వైర్, దట్ మీన్స్ లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ది వైర్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ది హైట్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ యూ టోల్డ్ మీ దట్ వైర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సిలిండర్. Wire is in the form of a cylinder, and we know volume of cylinder, radius of cylinder. We need to find out height of the cylinder. Okay, so volume of cylinder is pi r square h is equal to 1000. 22 by 7, 1 by 20 into 1 by 20 into h is equal to 1000. Because radius is given 1 by 20. Now h is equal to 1000 into 7 by 22 into 20 by 1 into 20 by 1. 20 by 1 into 20 by 1. Some students are joining lately. Now height is equal to 28 followed 5 zeros. 28 millimeters. You can divide this one and simplify. You can simplify, you can get length of the wire. Understand, children? Mandi ఒకసారి వద్దాం. Volume of gold coin is given 1 centimeter cube. Volume of gold coin is given 1 centimeter cube. I am converting volume from centimeter cube to millimeter cube. I am converting volume from 1 centimeter cube to millimeter cube because radius is given in millimeters. Radius is given in millimeters. So how to convert? This is the conversion. 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Then 1000 mm is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is 1000 millimeter cube. That is the volume. Now, diameter is given 0.1 mm. That means 1 by 10 mm. Then radius is 1 by 20 mm. We need to find out the length of the wire. We need to find out length of the wire. That means height of the cylinder. Length of the wire is nothing but height of the cylinder. Pi r square h is equal to 1000. R is given 1 by 20. So 22 by 7 into 1 by 20 into 1 by 20 into h is equal to 1000. After simplification, we got h is equal to 28 followed by 5 zeros by 22. That is the length of the wire. Okay. Understood, children? అదే చెప్పాను కదా, these are all higher order thinking, evaluation and analyzing. Analyzing type of questions. These are all. Conversions are more here. We need to convert the volume of gold from centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Next question. Next question. A cylindrical tube open at both ends is made up of metal. The internal diameter of the tube is 10 centimeters, 10.4 centimeters. Length is 25 centimeters. The thickness of metal is 8 mm everywhere. Calculate the volume of metal. This is also higher order thinking. Evaluating question. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా వాటర్ పైప్ చూసారా? వాటర్ పైప్, జనరల్ గా ప్లాస్టిక్ పైప్ చూసారా? Have you ever seen it? Water pipe. Yeah. It is hollow cylinder, is that right? Water pipe is a hollow cylinder. Is it right? How it look like? See here. It will be like that. See, this is a hollow cylinder. Both ends open. It is saying that both ends open. అంటే దీని ఇన్నర్ రేడియస్ వేరు, outer radius వేరు. This is capital R, this is small r. This is height of the cylinder. Okay. And he is asking to find out volume of the pipe. He is asking to find out volume of the pipe. So volume of pipe is same as volume of hollow cylinder. That is pi h into capital R square minus small r square. This is the formula. Pi h into capital R square minus small r square. Okay. Now, height is given 25 centimeters. And smaller internal diameter. Internal diameter 10.4. Then smaller is 5.2 centimeters. Thickness is given, we call it as width. Width of the pipe, this one, W. It is given, width of the pipe is given 8 mm. 8 mm, which is 8 by 10 cm. Because remaining dimensions are given in centimeters, width is given in millimeters. So convert millimeters into centimeters. So 8 mm is nothing but 8 by 10 cm, which is 0.8 centimeters width. Okay. Now, in order to find out capital R, we need to add thickness to small r. We need to add thickness to small r. Small r is 5.2 centimeters. Thickness is 0.8, which is capital R is 6 centimeters. Capital R is 6 centimeters. Okay na? మీరు కావాలంటే మీ ఇంట్లో ఉన్న ఏదన్నా ఒక పాతది అన్యూజ్డ్ పైప్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే చూడండి, చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఎవరన్నా అవకాశం ఉంటే రేపు క్లాస్కి పట్టండి. అన్యూజ్డ్ పైప్, ఈదర్ మెటల్ పైప్ ఆర్ ప్లాస్టిక్ పైప్. ఓకే, పైప్ వాటర్ వస్తుంది, వాటర్ ఫ్లో అవుతుంది, ఆ పైప్ అవకాశం ఉంటే పట్టండి. We'll call that pipe as a hollow cylinder. Its internal diameter is different from external diameter. Okay na? So, in order to calculate the volume of pipe, which is also called as volume of hollow cylinder, the formula is pi h into capital R square minus small r square. H is given. H is nothing but length of the pipe. H is nothing but length of the pipe is given 25 centimeters. Internal diameter 10.4. That means internal radius 5.2. Then width of the pipe is given 8 mm. Convert the millimeters into centimeters. That is 0.8 centimeters. So capital R is equal to small r plus W. You can observe here. This is capital R. This is width. So to get capital R, we need to add small r plus W, which is 6 centimeters. Now find out volume. Pi h into capital R square minus small r square. Capital R square minus small r square. Children, simplify this and tell me the answer. Simplify that one and tell me the answer.
32 to 35.
Meanwhile, give the attendance. Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya absent. Tanmay Rawat. Vikramaditya is there in the class? Children, Vikramaditya. Tanmay Hirawat. Okay. Wait. Darsh Goshal is there. Muhammad Hamza is there. Neha Vasupalli, Neha Devi. not there. Roshita Tummala, Vikram not there. Roshita, Neha Vasbali is there. Roshita. Vaishnavi Tummala, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. టకటక చెప్పాలి. రాగరిషిత, రాగరిషిత. రాగరిషిత. Ragarishita is not there. Bhargav, Bhavya Pranati, Bhavya Pranati, Bhavya Pranati. Bhavya Pranati is not there. Heman, మరి టక్కని చెప్పవేమమ్మా. హేమాంగ్. హేమాంగ్. నిఖిల్ వర్మ. సహిష్ణు.
హేమంగ్ ఉన్నాడు.
సహిష్ణు. పూర్ణచంద్రిక. So many students are not there today. Everyone give your attendance. So what the volume you got?
సహిష్ణు.
What the volume you got? You can take this one as 6 plus 5.2 into 6 minus 5.2. 22 by 7 into 25 into 11.2 into 0.8. You can simplify it. Uma Mahesh and Anish. Pavitra is there. Shashivardhan Reddy, Tejal, Kirtika, Rato, Shravan, Lohit, Kovida.
చంద్రిక ఉన్న పూర్ణ చంద్రిక.
లేదు. We'll go to next question.
శౌర్య శుక్లమ.
ఉన్నాడు. నేను తర్వాత చెప్తాను. నువ్వు దాంట్లో ఉన్నాయి చూస్తే పెట్టిలేదు. నాకు గుర్తున్నారు లేదు. Next question. A juice seller has a large cylindrical vessel of base radius 15 centimeters, filled up to height 32 centimeters with orange juice. With orange juice. Okay. So radius 15, height 32. Radius 15 centimeters, height 32 centimeters. Okay. ఇప్పుడు నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఒక సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. How many of you observe the overhead tank of your house? What is the shape of it? Overhead tank of your house. ఎప్పుడన్నా చూసారా? Overhead tank. What is the shape of it? Anyone? హంజా వాళ్ళ ట్యాంక్ సిలిండరు, స్క్వేర్ అంటారు ఉమామహి, దాన్ని క్యూబాయిడ్ అంటారు లేదా క్యూబ్ అంటారు. సో మాక్సిమం సిలిండర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా క్యూబ్. క్యూబ్ ఆర్ క్యూబాయిడ్, క్యూబ్ ఫామ్ ఉండదు, జనరల్ గా క్యూబాయిడ్ ఫామ్ ఉంటుంది. వైశాలి సిలిండర్ ఉంది, రైట్. మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా ఫ్రమ్ ద బేస్ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గ్రౌండ్ లెవెల్ టు ఓవర్ హెడ్ ట్యాంక్ వాటర్ ఎట్లా ఫ్లో అవుతుందా? దే త్రూ వాట్? మరి ట్యాంక్ నిండుతుంది కదా, మోటార్ వేస్తే ట్యాంక్ నిండుతుందా? Motor వేస్తే when you switch on the motor, the tank fills. So water flows through what? Through pipes. Yeah, through pipes. Good. So tank is in the form of a cylinder. Pipes are also in the form of cylinder. Have you ever observed that how much time it will take to fill the tank of your overhead, means by the pipes of your overhead tank, right? How much time it will take? My question is, ఓవర్హెడ్ ట్యాంక్ ఫిల్ అవడానికి వాటర్ ఫ్లో త్రూ పైప్స్ అవుతుంది కదా, 5 to 10 minutes సార్, అంతే. 5 to 10 minutes లో ట్యాంక్ ఫిల్ అయిపోతుందా? డోంట్ నో. 5 minutes లో నిండిపోతుంది అంటున్నాడు. వీడి అతి పైచ్యం చూపిస్తున్నాడు మొహమ్మద్ హంజా. పైప్స్ ప్లస్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్, అదే ఒకటి పైచ్యం. Anish వాళ్ళు into 30 minutes, సుజయ్ వాళ్ళు into 10 minutes లో నిండిపోతుంది. No idea. 30 minutes in rainy season. Okay. So మీరు చెప్పండి, ఈ టైం, how much time it will take that the water flowing through the pipes fill a tank? How much time it will take? What to do? Vikramaditya, he came now. Vishwanath also came now. Vishwanath ante Suresh valla abbayi, right hand. What to do ra? ఇంటి పైన ఉన్న ఓవర్ హెడ్ ట్యాంక్ ఫిల్ అవ్వాలంటే we need to on the motor. When we on the motor, water flows through the pipe into the tank. So in order to find out the time, means how much time the pipes fill the tank, in order to find that one, what we have to calculate? Can anyone say? First one. Can anyone give the idea? ఎప్పుడు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయలే. You ask your parents that how much time it is taking, or if you are in apartments, ask your watchman, that watchman how much time it will take to fill the overhead tank. వాడు చెప్పేస్తాడు క్లియర్గా, వాచ్మెన్ చెప్పేస్తాడు, అరగంట పడుతుంది, 40 minutes పడుతుంది, గంట పడుతుంది, క్లియర్గా చెప్పేస్తాడు. ఎందుకు చెప్పేస్తాడంటే వాడు రెగ్యులర్గా వాడు మోటార్ వేస్తుంటాడు కదా, రెగ్యులర్గా మోటార్ వేస్తుంటాడు, టక్కన ఎంత టైం పడుతుందో తెలుస్తుంది, ఆ టైం కరెక్ట్గా వెళ్ళి కట్టేస్తాడు. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మ్యాథమెటికల్గా హౌ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ టైం? ఎనీ ఐడియా? రైట్, ఫస్ట్ we need to find out volume of tank. Volume of tank find out చేయాలి first. Overhead tank, radius is given, height is given. Find out volume of tank. Pi r square h. 22 by 7 into 15 into 15 into 32. Then find out volume of pipe. Find out volume of pipe, which is also cylinder. I will take this one as R square H, because I am considering tank as a cylinder. I am considering tank, overhead tank, I am considering it as a cylinder. So its volume is pi R square H. This is the volume. Now pipe. Pipe is also in the form of a cylinder. Its volume is pi R square H, small r square. So what is radius? Okay, radius let it be 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 centimeters. Height, length of the pipe let it be 100 meters. Okay, na? Radius 1 by 2, 1 by 2 centimeters radius. Now volume of tank find out cheyali, volume of pipe find out cheyali. After getting these two volumes, in order to find out the time taken to fill the tank, volume of tank by volume of pipe, we have. Then you will get time taken by the time taken to fill the tank. In order to get time taken to fill the tank, we need to calculate first volume of overhead tank, then volume of pipe that is connected from the base to the top. After finding these two volumes, divide volume of tank with volume of pipe, you will get the time taken to fill the tank. Okay, children? If this one is given as an activity for you, how many of you are ready to do it? Of your respective overhead tanks, how much time is taken to fill the tank? How many of you are ready to do it as a project? How many of you are ready to take this as a project? So what is the project? You need to find out the time taken to fill the tank. First you have to calculate volume of the overhead tank, then volume of pipe that is connected, volume of pipe that is connected to the tank, then time taken to fill the tank is equal to volume of the overhead tank by volume of the pipe. See, if your overhead tank is in the form of a cuboid, find out the volume of cuboid. If it is a cylinder, find out the volume of cylinder. If it is a cube, find out the volume of cube. Different shapes. It is shown that different shapes, overhead tanks will be in different shapes. It may be a cube, it may be a cuboid, it may be a cylinder. Okay, na? Different shapes. But the pipes that are connected to the tank, most probably they are like cylinders, hollow cylinders. Okay. So how much time you got? 144 minutes. 144 minutes. So 144 minutes है దగ్గర దగ్గరగా 2 hours 24 minutes. 2 hours 24 minutes. Right. Here one more thing is there. When you on the pipe, means on the motor, water flows in the pipes, na? Water flows in the pipes. Is that right? So since the water is flowing in the pipes, it should have some speed. It should have some speed. Okay, I'll not explain you that one. So you are ready to take the project now? Many of you are ready to take the project of calculating volume of overhead tank and volume of pipe. Then you will get a doubt. If you get a doubt, then I will clarify that one. You have to come with me a doubt, na? With a doubt. Okay. So these three are analyzing and evaluating questions today, which are we can call it as HOTS, higher order thinking questions. I am able to explain only 3 questions, and it is already 8:37 today. More time it took. Tomorrow we'll go ahead with remaining questions. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Mahaganadhipataye. Thank you. Who is there? That Rani? Rani, somebody told. Who is there? You are in which section? Rani garu? Somebody says a new student, Rani garu. Belong to which section? Okay, bye.